They got these split logs at the ranger station that you can buy. It's like 10 pieces for $5, but the problem is it's green, and I couldn't get it to burn last night, and I kept walking back and forth getting palmetto sticks and stuff. So anyway, this afternoon I got a good collection that'll should keep me going tonight to have a good fire. Good, looking good. And a heavier hammer. Look at that. Meat cleaver. Good stuff right there. Steak turned out perfect. Exactly the way I like it, about medium rare. Looking pretty darn tasty. Oh, they're so ooey and gooey. That's why you need graham crackers and chocolate to make s'mores, because of that. Guys, it really took a lot of work, but I finally got a good fire going. Well, I'm kind of up in the air on what I want to do today. I could just go to that bridge and spend time catching mangrove crabs. I'm starting to feel good now. Some breakfast, some coffee. Yeah, baby. I've not seen a raccoon yet. I wonder if they trapped them. They keep them out of here. All right, guys, we are launched. It's an outgoing tide until about noon. It's 10 o'clock. I can fish until about 5. So my plan is we're going to go to the bridge, catch some mangrove crabs, fish with the artificial crab, and yeah, we're just going to see what we can make happen from there, and then do some exploring, see if we can find some other fishing spots. So we got a beautiful Southwest Florida day. It's starting to cook out here, and I'm ready to rock and roll. Got to get a double header here. Oh yeah, I got one. Oh my God, that wind is blowing 20 miles an hour. Reach this one. Oh, got him. I loaded up pretty good there. Probably got a dozen free baits. I'm gonna go ahead and make some drops here, and maybe some more crabs will come up while I'm fishing. Oh, there's a hit. It's a definite hit. There he is. Whoa! Hey, nice size mang, man. All right. Finally got us a fish. Not bad. So you guys, I have never fished this area before. Came over here, saw these crabs, and have been lucky enough to catch some small fish. All right, thanks for the catch, buddy. See ya. Yeah. Nope. I'm getting pushed right up in the shallows. Yeah, not to lose my crabs. No. Man, it's like 6 inches deep right here. Rudder up, pedal drive up, crabs in. Yep, paddle power. All right. Whoa. Dang it. Darn wind, man. Here we go. Here we go. There we go. There's our sheepshead we've been looking for. All right. He ain't a giant, but we got him. All right, baby. Yeah. Another sheepy on the free bait. Nice little sheepy, man. Thanks for the catch, buddy. See ya. Yes. All right. Man, re-rigged. Give me a crab. I didn't even feel that guy bite. I don't know what I was messing around with something. Pulled back and I thought I was hung on the bottom. And there he was. What am I freaking hung on? Oh, fish. Oh, it's a good one too, man. It's a good one. That's a good one. Oh yeah, baby. That's a good one right there. Whoa. Dang. I think I found me another little sheepshead hole, baby. All right. That is a good one. We're not keeping fish today, though. This guy, gonna let him go for the next guy to catch him. All right. Oh, that's a good one right there. That is a good one right there. Nice sheeps. Oh, watch out. Don't want to get a spike in the leg again. Good old sheephead. Thanks for the catch. Yes. Absolutely love fishing with these mangrove crabs, man. These things are awesome. Good? Having a good day? That's the way to go right there.
Oh, it is nice.
I haven't had a hit in a long time. I've been out here 2.5 hours. Haven't done too bad. Got 2 or 3 sheepshead, a couple mangrove snapper. The crabs are kind of staying away. I don't know. I'm seeing them every now and then. They got wise to JC chasing them around. I got like 2 crabs left, one that's live and one that's probably drowned by now. But I'm battling 21-mile-an-hour gusts. It's 15-mile-an-hour winds, 21-mile-an-hour gusts. It's been a real challenge this morning battling these gusts. I mean, I got a bunch of new scrapes and bangs on my kayak from scraping up against all these barnacles and oysters on the walls and stuff. But we're going to keep fishing here for a little while. The one thing I'm concerned about is 21-mile-an-hour winds are blowing right at me, and I have to go back against the wind. And I already had to paddle quite a bit because it gets really, really shallow in this creek. And it's been an outgoing tide, so it's going to be even shallower. I might just continue fishing for a few hours here, get up around some of these canals and cast some lures and stuff, give that tide time to turn around and start coming in, and then just head back in late in the afternoon. I got some apples and plenty of water, so yeah, I think that's what we might do here. I don't know. We'll see. I'm having a good time. Let me finish up these crabs here, see if we can catch something. And I hope you guys are enjoying this video. I am enjoying making it. There we go. Finally. On my last crab. My last crab. I got him. It's been an hour and a half since I caught a fish. See ya. Nice. You got a channel that runs right along the edge here. It's like the wind is just going to blow me right up, straight up into these canals. I'll just work the mouth of these canals and cast up in here around these docks. This little swim bait. See if we can't make something happen. There he is. There we go. Oh, good snook. Good snook. Alright, well, we found some fish. We found some fish. Good deal. Deep water, docks, and fish. Going back around over here, buddy. Feisty little guy. Alright, wanted him some of that paddle tail. Good deal. Nice little snooky. Alright. Nice little snook. Yeah, baby. Thanks for the catch. Yes! Snook on the board! Oh baby, that's a big one. That's a big one. That's a big one. That's a big fish. That's a big fish. That's a big one. We got a big fish on here. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No, this is not good. This is not good, guys. Not good. Not good what's happening right here. Oh my God. Oh yeah, big snook. Big snook. Man, just dealing with freaking wind and docks. Wind and docks. No. Oh my God, he's pulling me into the dock. Oh, he's freaking all over the place, man. Get out in the open water, dude. Come on, we're going out here now. We're done. We're done fighting around those docks. We're finished with that. Oh yeah, that is a sweet snook right there. I pulled up to that dock. They've got 3 dock lights over there. I thought, man, there ought to be a snook right here. Sure enough, there he was. Man, that is a good one. Look at the color on that fish. Beautiful. Beautiful colors, man. Wow. There we go. Nice snook. Wow. Wow. Man, oh man. Dang, baby. Heck yeah. That is a good one right there. That's a good snook. Look at that guy. Look at the color on that thing, man. That's a river snook right there. That is a river snook. All right, buddy. Yep, thanks for the catch. See ya. Yes. Oh my God. I thought I was hung. I thought I was hung on something. I casted way back underneath that dock. I pulled back, he hit it. He must have hit it as soon as it hit the water, man. I pulled back, I thought I was hung, and then all of a sudden my drag started ripping. Oh Lord, goodness gracious me, oh my. I want you guys to see. You've got to see where that snook hit it, all right? He hit it right in that corner. He hit it right in that corner right there, and my stinking kayak was all the way over here. He hit it, and he ran back this way. back in here. The freaking wind was pushing me up into the boat and everything. Oh, baby. Heck yeah, man. Dang. Look. They've got 1, 2, 3 lights. Big lights on this dock right here. Plus they've got these over here. There's 1, 2, the 3 lights. They keep those things on at night, you know, that'll be attracting the snook. Well, he was there for some reason. I ain't even gonna debate it anymore. I got me a nice one. Oh, that felt so good. I've been fishing hard, man. It's been an hour since I caught that last snook. Definitely an hour. What a fight. Woo, baby, what a fight, man. Love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Yes. Thumbs up are appreciated, man. Oh, he hit that thing. Woo, baby. Yes. Yes. Smash that applaud button, you guys. Show me some love.